Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make voice lines in Roblox. This is FE compatible, so this can be used in FE. Alright, let's get started here. So the first thing you want to do is add 3 events to replicated storage here, so we can access them through the server script. So you can name these whatever. I'm going to name them speak. Sorry guys, my keyboard's a little bit loud. And you can put these in a folder if you want. Doesn't matter. Just make it organized. A lot of people know this from Area 108. These were made by Sub, but pretty much recreated them. So you can see I have the audios here. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is create a GUI, which I've made one here. And inside each GUI, alright, so wait, the wrong one. So all it does is, here, I'll just rewrite it. So you're accessing the script, which is the local script, and then you're gonna do .parent, which is the parent, which is L2, this button. Script.parent.mouse button, one click, connect function, and you don't have to name it. So basically, this just, whenever somebody presses the button, it will run whatever is inside this function. So you can put anything here. But what we're going to do is, remember we put those events in the replicated storage? We're going to fire those events. So game.replicated storage.speak event.speak fire server. That's all you got to do for each one of these. And this is going to be speak 2 because it's the second button. Nah, this was just testing. Yeah, this is the main one. You can add a little print if you want. Doesn't matter too much. Alright, so that's all you gotta do for that. That's the easy part, the button. The harder part is when we get into the server script. So you're gonna add a script, and you can name it whatever. You can call it speak handler or whatever. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is game.players.player added connect function. Oh, I hate when it does that. Function. We're gonna call this function player. So basically, when a player joins the game, it's gonna notice that. So now we're gonna add another one. It's gonna be game player.character added connect function char. As you can see, we got that here. Okay, so this pretty much it notices that a player joins and it loads their character, or not, doesn't load it, but it realizes that it's there because it's on the server. So you can't just do game.players.localplayer because the server doesn't have access to the client. Okay. So from here, we're gonna create our sound, which is inside the player. So local sound equals instance.new sound char.torso. That's all you gotta do. Now we're gonna add the properties of the sound. If you don't know what the properties are, these are the properties. You got the sound ID, the volume, playback speed, looped, max distance. We're actually gonna change the max distance to 300. So sound ID equals, you gotta add the RBX asset ID so that it realizes that's a real sound audio. And you can just paste your sound in there, right from here. Okay, so now we're gonna set some of the properties. Sound.volume equals, you can make this whatever. I'll just make it 289 for fun. We're also gonna set the max distance equals 300. Alright, that's all you gotta do. Wait, actually I forgot. Jeez, I can't believe I forgot. Okay. This is never gonna run unless it's listening for the event. So we're gonna do game.replicatedStorage.speak event.speak.onServerEvent. I can't type today. Function. So we're just gonna copy all of this, and we can just delete it for now. We can copy all of that we made. Delete this because it's no longer in use. Paste that in here. Player. Wait, you can put this on top. Put that there. Okay. Guess we still need to end. Alright. There you go. You add that. It's listening for the event, and when it fires the event, it waits for the character to be added and the player, and it adds it to their torso, and we're adding a sound. You can add anything, pretty much. So also, if you look at sounds, there's effects you can add. You can add echo, chorus, anything you really want. So if you want to do that, it's pretty much the same. You just gotta do local effect equals instance.new. And you just gotta you want to make the name char. Char. Actually, you can just do sound. It'll make it inside the sound, and then you just name the effect. To find the effects, you can see them all here. We're gonna add a echo sound effect. Alright, now we gotta set the properties of the sound effect. So effect.delay equals 0.1. Effect dot, let's see what we got. Let's see what we can mess with here. So we have delay, dry, feedback. Feedback is like the main part that you want to change. Equals 0.2. And then effect dot wet level equals let's just do 10. Apply edits. Okay. So now you gotta play the sound. Play. And you can add these for every single one. So dot speak 2 and speak 3. And there you go. Now it'll work pretty much perfectly. Wait. Oh, I messed something up. Expected. See. Probably just forgot a line. .l1. Local script. Okay. X. Messed up on that end. Forgot the parentheses there. Simple error. Alright, now we should be good. Oh my gosh, I suck at typing. Where is it? Okay. .speak event .speak. Where's the error? Speak is not valid. Yes it is. Okay, we're just gonna put these in here. Actually, no. Speak. Speak. I don't see the error. Oh. Of course, it's in the GUI. I suck at making GUIs. L1 dot speak event dot speak. There we go. Now it should work. Yeah, you can see. Let me turn it up. Oh, that's loud. Let me turn that down for you guys. Alright. You can see it plays the effects.
Last warning.
I just messed. I gotta fix that, but that's how you do it. You fire the event. You listen for it. You wait for a character and a player. You put a new sound, a new effect. Put a new sound in their torso when the event is fired, and you insert an effect into the sound. So that's pretty much it. Yeah. Let's dot speak event. Alright, this should all work just fine now.
Last warning. Last warning. Last warning.
Alright, it's playing the same sound, but that's because I didn't change the IDs here. So for step back and VIP, there you go. Now this does play on the server side, so this works with FE. Oh, my plane.
Last warning. Step back. Locate the VIP.
There you go. That should work.